Hi guys, today we will be changing the brake pad on a 2017 Nissan Versa. So I have to remove the hubcap first. Ah, man. Okay. Okay. And these are 17 for the lug nut, 17mm socket for the lug nut. Okay. I'm gonna jack it up. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and remove the lug nut. Okay. So now I'm going to turn the wheel. So I think that's good enough. I'm gonna try to see if I can push back. Yeah, I cannot. Some of the caliber you can just push them back with flat screw head, but this one is not one of them. So now with 14mm, going to adjust the camera. Okay, with 14mm, I'm going to remove the bracket, the caliber bracket. Okay. All right. And now going to remove this clip, gently pry them off. Okay. And then remove the brake pad. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this clip and install new clips. Okay. So here's the first new clip. When installing this, you just have to make sure that it is sitting inside the groove here. So what I'm going to do is use my flat screwdriver and just hammer it up. Now it's sitting inside the groove here. I will do the same thing on the other hand. Okay. Okay. Now we replace the bottom one as well. Okay. All right. Let's the other way. Okay. So I go ahead and hammer this down a little bit. The other way as well. Okay. Now it's time to install the new brake pads. So go ahead and install this one first. Okay. Okay. And then the other one. Okay. Hold on. Let me make sure it's aligned correctly. All right. Now I'm going to push down the brake caliper. Let me adjust the camera. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to push this inside, so I can reinstall the new brake. I mean the new pad. So this is how it sits in there. I'm using size B for this one. I borrowed this tool from Home AutoZone. So all we have to do is just press in the brake caliper. Okay, it's all pressed in. So just going to spray it down a little bit to clean it up. Okay, now let's not forget the clips. Okay, and then this one here. All right, now we just put back the caliper bracket. And then we put back the bolt, and that's it. 14mm. All right guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, please leave in the comment. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Take care. Bye bye.